Okay folks, well it's several days since I started filming this video. I've obtained a replacement purifier from Dyson and the faulty one has gone back. I've set it all up as I did in the first part of the video, so I don't have to show you that again. I've plugged it in and now I'm going to press the mains on button and see if anything happens. Well, that's a good sign. We do actually have something on the display and the Dyson Purifier hot and cool fan is running. It's kicked up a gear without me pressing anything. I assume that's correct. It's also giving out heat, which I don't want. So hopefully now I've pressed the cool button. Still giving out heat. Let's just lower the temperature. I'm doing that with the remote. It's still on heat though. If I select auto, now I believe on the auto setting it's blowing out of the back of the unit. Let's increase the fan speed up to 10, which is maximum. Oh. Nothing's really happening. Right, now we've got it oscillating. That seems to work. Although I've got it set on 10, it's only, well, it sounds like it's only on setting 1. I hope this one isn't faulty as well, folks. I'm assuming, I mean, you'd think that by adjusting the fan speed on the remote, the fan should start speeding up, but I am adjusting it, but nothing seems to be happening. I'll just switch it off for now. Well, what I'll do now is try to connect it to the Dyson Link app. I couldn't even do that with the faulty one, so we'll see if we can get this connected and hopefully we'll be able to get this working properly. I've got the Dyson Link app opened on my iPad, so we'll see if we can add a machine. And it should give me an option of a machine to add. Air treatment, robot vacuums or lighting. Well, it's air treatment. Where is your machine's power button? Well, it's there. Switch on. Well, I've done that. We are. Oh. We're having trouble detecting it. Ah, because it's turned off. Let's switch it on again. It's turned itself off. Now I've got to check my device's settings. I've checked and I have got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Ah, connectivity could be disabled. Press and hold your machine's power button for 5 seconds. Once enabled, a solid white Wi-Fi symbol will display on your machine. 1, 2, 3. We don't have any Wi-Fi. It was saying it had the Wi-Fi symbol. Oh, right. I think we've got Wi-Fi. Okay, it's enabled. Please remain close to your machine. I will. I'll remain close until it breaks down. Keeping your device close will assist with the connection process. So hopefully it's going to connect. That is the correct one. Hold your device next to your machine's display. Well, I am doing now. Press the power button on your machine. This will activate the pairing process. Although we do have a tick symbol, so I'm assuming we have paired. Well, I assume I have to wait until something happens, because I don't have any option to continue on the app. I've got the correct symbol in the display. It's just a case of waiting, I think. Okay, finally the machine has paired with the Dyson Link app. Now I have to continue setting up the machine, so the next I have to select the network I'm on, continue, and then I've got to put my Wi-Fi password in. Okay, that's connected. Continue. Where is your machine? Well, at the moment it's in my living room, but I'm going to have it in my bedroom, so I will select bedroom, bedroom, select, continue, and then I've got to put the date I purchased the machine, so I'll just pop that in now. That's done, but I've got to wait for any updates. And there we have it. This is the app working, and well, it says it's in my bedroom, but in my living room at the moment the air quality is good. I've got the Dyson Link on my iPad, but you can put it on your iPhone or any other compatible tablet or phone. So hopefully now I can control the Dyson using the app. Am I doing something wrong? I don't know. I've gone up to 10. Nothing. Alright, so we've got the remote up. We'll press the remote button and we've got this display. So let's try again. Airflow speed. It says it's on 6. I've now got it on 10. Oops. There you go. Nothing's happening. Shall we try auto? Something's happening. I want it to on cooling. We'll try the oscillation. Right, well it oscillates. Well, it's giving out a cool breeze, but not much of one. Of course, we can control the degree of oscillation on this as well. Right up to 350, I believe, isn't it? Yes, 350. So it should oscillate further. That seems to be working. But what isn't working is the speeds. No, that's stopped. Oh, done. Got to tell it. Got to say you've done it, folks. No. Oh, right. Perhaps I have to turn oscillation on again. I don't know. No, it says it's off. Oh, right. Well, we'll leave the app because that's not working. Try the remote again. We'll try the oscillation on the remote. Look, folks, I was going to say, right, it's finally started to oscillate. But it's still giving me out, it's giving cool air, which is what I want. I don't want the heating on at this time, but this is why I got this, because I want to replace an existing standard air purifier and my Dyson hot and cool fan heater. I wanted to replace both of those appliances with this one appliance, so I'll have air purification plus, when I want it, heating. Now, by pressing the heat button, I think it should start giving out hot air. It's starting to warm up. But what I can't get it to do is change the speed of the fan. It we might have something now. Okay, finally, I think. Now at the moment it's diffusing the air out of the back. So I need to press this button when it's pointing at the unit. I have to wait for it to come round. It's done it now. So yes, now it's blowing out at the front, which is what I want it to do. It's blowing out cold air, that's good, and it's on setting 10, which is the loudest setting, so just double check. Yes, it's allowing me to reduce. Well, I can't say I'm not relieved. I didn't really want to have to go through the palaver of having to replace this again, but I've set it to the maximum oscillation, so it's, I think, 350 degrees, not quite obviously 360. It stops and then starts coming back. I won't need that oscillation normally. Well, I've got the app back, so let's just check. I'm going to change the oscillation to 90, I think. Done. And we'll try the airflow speed again. I'm now up to 10. Right, it's working, folks. Down to 5. Okay, well, fingers crossed it's going to be fine. Judging by the display, my air quality is good. I didn't expect it to be bad, but I think it's oscillating more than I want it to now, actually. I'll try. It's still on 350, I'm not sure why. Right, well, I've turned the oscillating off. Right, it's on 90 now. Done. Okay, it should be oscillating at 90 degrees. Right, well, finally it seems to be working. It's not like I haven't had a machine like this before, but it does seem not as responsive as the previous one. I'm just going to kick out some heat. We'll go up to the maximum. 32 degrees. No. No. 37 degrees. Well, that's certainly kicking out some heat. I'm in my living room at the moment. I'm not going to use it in my living room. This is meant to go in my bedroom, a smaller room, so it won't take very long at all to take the chill off. When winter comes, when I just want to have just a little bit of background heat, or I just want to be in my bedroom and not put the whole central heating on, this, hopefully, providing it still works, will be fine. So if you turn it off, you can tilt the base. You can either have it pointing down or slightly pointing up, or just back to its regular position. Okay, well, I'm going to leave the Dyson air purifier going in the living room at the moment. As you can see, I've still got good air quality, but this is going to go upstairs in my bedroom, and I'm going to have my first night tonight with this on in the background. and see if I feel any different in the morning. I'm fortunate to live in a place with pretty good air quality anyway. I've only ever seen this go bad when I used my previous purifier, when I've sprayed some chemicals near it just to test it working, but under normal circumstances I think it'll just work away in the background, filtering in the air, and hopefully, and there's no way I can measure this, but hopefully it's getting rid of any formaldehyde in the air. It'll be interesting to see, because I have fairly new furniture in my bedroom that can be giving off formaldehyde. Often comes off new furniture, comes off furniture for years apparently, but obviously when the furniture's brand new it might be outgassing formaldehyde, and if you have new carpets laid or anything. So it'll be interesting to see if this display changes. Well, that's it for the video. At least I've got a working purifier, hot and cool. I'll keep you updated. Hopefully it'll be working in a year, 2 years. Well, at the price I paid, I'm hoping it's still working in 5 years. If you have any comments or questions about this Dyson air purifier, please comment below, and I'll see you all very soon for the next video. Bye for now.